you're a veteran or an active duty buyer and you've been told that the VA loan is a hassle, that appraisals are a nightmare, and that sellers won't even take your offer anyway, well, you need to hear me. I mean, that's a myth. It's not the truth. And I do a lot of VA loans. It is the single most powerful benefit in mortgage lending. Zero down, no monthly mortgage insurance, no loan limit if you have full entitlement. And most people who have been scaring you have never even actually closed one. So we're going to walk through exactly how this benefit works, what it really costs, and the tips that most lenders never share because they don't know. The ones that turn this loan from a way to get into a home into a strategy for building real wealth. The good part is at the end, so don't leave early. All right. Here's what it actually costs you to keep believing that myth. On a $450,000 average home, FHA wants 3.5% down. That's over $15,000 out of your pocket at closing. The VA loan, zero. Well, that's $15,000 you get to keep in your pocket. And every single month, a comparable low down FHA or even a conventional loan stacks mortgage insurance on top of your payment. That's roughly $150 to $200 a month. The VA loan has none of that. Over 5 years, that can quickly add up to $9,000 to $12,000 that you simply don't have to pay. This isn't money that you have to find. It's money that you've already earned through your service. The only question is whether or not you use it on purpose. So here's where we're going to go. First, the 5 benefits that make this loan unlike anything else on the table. Then a real buyer's number, start to finish, so that you can see the actual dollars. And then there's the tips and tricks, the strategy plays that most lenders never volunteer. That last part is where this stops being a loan and starts being a wealth move. All right, benefit number 1. I already touched on it. The zero down and no monthly mortgage insurance. Yes, that's the headline. That's the thing most people know first, but that headline isn't the strategy. So hold on to that. Benefit number 2 is the funding fee and how to make it smaller or zero. Now, the funding fee is a one-time charge that keeps the VA program running. So it can stay zero down with no PMI forever. It's usually rolled into the loan, not paid in cash. First time use with nothing down, it's 2.15% of the loan amount. So that can run you about $96.75 on a $450,000 loan. But if you have any service-connected disability rating, even if it's at a 0%, that fee is waived. Now, if you put 5% down, it drops to 1.5%. If you put 10% down, it's 1.25%. My team always checks your exemption first. And if we talk to you during the pre-approval process, we're going to have you go check to see if you have any disability. Because a lot of veterans that I work with, that number can be zero. So benefit number 3 is entitlement and why no loan limit is a real deal. Entitlement is the dollar amount of the VA guarantees to your lender on your behalf. Now, that guarantee is what lets you skip the down payment and the PMI. If you have full entitlement, meaning you haven't tied any of it up with another VA loan, then there's no VA loan limit. None. Like you can buy a $3 million home with a VA loan with zero down. The 2026 conforming cap of $832,750 only matters if you're on partial entitlement. With full entitlement, your qualification is the only ceiling. Benefit 4, the VA appraisal situation is not what you've heard. I mean, that story that the VA appraisals kills deals is mostly fear. It's an old story. The VA simply wants a safe, sound sanitary home. And that's it. A solid house with no major deferred maintenance is not a home that I would worry about at all going VA. Normal, well-kept homes sail through the process. Benefit number 5. The buyer-friendly fine print that most people never ask about is that the VA allows up to 4% in seller concessions, and in some cases even more, meaning that the seller can help you cover your closing costs, your prepaids, even part of the funding fee. The VA also allows for seller concessions to pay off consumer debt so that you can qualify for more home. I mean, no other loan does that. Plus, the VA has no minimum credit score. With an automated approval, this loan has the most flexibility. So let me walk you through a real buyer, a veteran, full entitlement, no disability exception. He's got a $450,000 home that he's putting an offer on, 0 down. You add the 2.15% funding fee, that's $96.75. That gets rolled right back into the loan. The total loan is roughly $459,675. Now, at today's rate on a 30-year fix, principal and interest is going to run you about $28.30 a month. No mortgage insurance on top of that. Now, you compare that to an FHA loan, same house, $15,750 out of pocket at closing, a higher monthly payment, and add $150 to $200 in mortgage insurance every month until you refinance. The $15,750 that he didn't spend, it's still his. And that's exactly where this strategy part starts. So here's where we turn the benefit into a play. 3 moves. Move 1. Keep your 0 down cash as ammunition. Because the VA lets you skip the down payment, that money becomes leverage. Hold it as reserve so that you can actually qualify stronger, or keep it as appraisal gap money in a competitive market, or invest it for the next purchase. Now, move 2, pull your certificate of eligibility before you start looking. Your COE is the VA's proof that you've earned this benefit, and it confirms your entitlement level. Also, check into your disability benefits. If you think you've earned them, verify that you're getting them. This can save you thousands in your funding fee. Now, move 3, sometimes a small down payment is actually the smart play. Now, remember, the funding fee drops with money down. 0 down is 2.15, but 5% down takes it to 1.5, and 10% down takes it to 1.25%. Now, on a $450,000 purchase, trimming that fee from 2.15 to 1.5 saves you roughly $2,900 financed into the loan. If you've got the cash and keeping reserves still works, putting a little down payment can lower your lifetime costs and your monthly payment. 0 down and no monthly mortgage insurance, no loan limit with full entitlement. The VA loan is the benefit that you've earned. The strategy isn't how you use it. So let's make it real for your situation. Let's run your numbers and confirm your entitlement with my team. We do it early so you know. The link to contact us is below in the description. We're going to pull your COE for you. We're going to check your funding fee exemption, and we're going to find your number. And share this with a veteran or a service member who's been told that the VA loan is too much hassle. This might be the video that changes their mind. I'll see you on the next one.